Hi there, my name is Brandon Diego. Today I will be teaching you how to create and manage your own YouTube channel. So first what you want to do is you want to go to YouTube and sign in. By signing in you press this little guy. It should say sign in at the top right instead of having this little guy, but I have already signed in. I'm going to have you sign in first. Then pause the video if you need to sign in first. And then you're going to want to press my channel. So after you have done that, this should pop up. It might have a little pop-up bar in the middle of the screen. You're just going to want to type your name, first and last, and then you're going to want to customize channel. After you've clicked customize channel, this should pop up. This is where you upload videos, create some playlists. You can add some channels that you really like or some of your friends' channels. You also have the video manager, which allows you to upload, edit your videos however you'd like, add some music to your videos, make your videos a little more upbeat and moving. Then after, if you would like to change your name, you will have to press this little gear on the right side, and then you would want to go to advanced settings. So advanced settings will allow you to change your name, the country that you live in, the picture, the channel keywords. So if anybody searches up anything that relates to your keywords, then this channel will pop up. There's also this dashboard which allows you to see your videos that you have posted, your video manager. I talked about that a little bit. Live streaming, you can go live on YouTube. It just shows it would be live so people can see what you're doing at the exact time that they're watching it. Community, which will show you how many viewers you have, the community that you've built. Analytics, it's just about the same as community. This one, community, allows you to create the community yourself. Analytics are just showing your statistics in YouTube. Of course, create video, and then translation and transcriptions, which allow you to translate your videos into any language. Now, changing your name. You press the little change button on the right of your picture. And this allows you, it has a little pop-up that says edit channel name. Your channel name comes from your Google account. Changes may take a few minutes to show on your channel. So it will take a few minutes after you're done with it. So after that, this thing pops up. This is the About Me page of your email account, your Google email account. As soon as this pops up, you're going to want to scroll down. And the only thing is, you want to change your display name. Quick. Oh, sorry about that. You're going to want to add a nickname for yourself. Anything you would like, you can do. I like to do best. Just so it's a test for me to show you guys. So you're going to want to change your display name, and you can choose either your nickname as first and then nickname and then last name, or you can do your first name and last name and then have your nickname in parentheses. I like to do this one. It's just better for me. I just like it personally. And so this will pop up into your YouTube channel. If you go back in here and you go to Creator Studio, so you're going to want to press top right, Creator Studio, and View Channel. This should pop up. There you go. That is just some of the ways. And if you press top right, should pop up test, and then if you go to your own account, it should have a nickname as test as well. So this is just my name. I put it when I first created the Google account. So that's what just pops up as soon as you do it. Okay, and that is about it. There are a couple other tabs like discussion, which allows you to add a public comment onto your page, and there's about section that allows you to put in anything about yourself that you want people to know. And that's about it for creating and managing a YouTube channel. I really appreciate it, and you all have a very nice day.